Hey, you're watching Preppy Kitchen, where I, John Cannell, teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. Today's a very special day because my lovely mother Rita came to visit me in Connecticut.
Hi everyone.
It's been so long. Mom, is the kitchen finished?
No way yet.
No, it's not finished, but this part that you can see on camera is finished, and that's all we needed to get started, right?
Definitely.
To celebrate the new kitchen and New Year's Eve, we're making champagne cocktails today. Let's get started.
Fill my glass.
First, let's open up some champagne. Doesn't have to be like a... The new kitchen has officially been christened. I just realized this is the first video in the new kitchen. If you're making champagne cocktails, especially on New Year's or for any party really, nobody's gonna get the jigger out and be like, no. No, you're just gonna go splish, splash, splish, splash. So it's gonna be an easy breezy video. We're gonna be doing splashes and rough parts. First off, we're gonna make a classic champagne cocktail. So here's the deal. 1 sugar cube, in you go. I love bitters. There's so many different brands. Angostura, it's a classic. There's Peychaud's, there's Fee Brothers.
A collection.
When I moved, I gave them all to her, and she just told me that she hasn't used them ever.
I need to learn how to use them.
Yeah. Bitters and soda is an amazing drink, just like soda water and bitters.
I got my homework.
No sugar, nothing. All right, so let's soak.
A few splashes.
Soak it up so you can like give it like a real good soak or just like saturate the cube. It's up to you. After the sugar cube's been soaked, let's top your glass off with some champagne. You can give it a minute. Look at that beautiful color. Now it's like a rosé champagne.
Yes.
Okay, well, let's continue this process of slowly filling the glass. I would say because it's a taste test, it should only be like partially filled, but then you wouldn't get the full experience of the cocktail, so we have to put it all the way to the top. Okay, there we go. Look at that gorgeous color.
And this fizzing.
Take a smell. Now,
beautiful.
have a sip.
Here's to you. Oh, it's wonderful, lovely. I love it, and I'm gonna use Angostura Bitters probably.
Okay, well, I believe you, but let me try to as well.
Don't drink it all, it's mine.
That's really nice. The sugar is not going anywhere.
No.
It's all going to be at the bottom.
It's very subtle.
So you're really just flavoring the champagne with bitters. If you want a sweeter drink, bam, you can't have it. No. If you want a sweeter one, just add some simple syrup, the bitters, give it a mix, and then add the champagne. Let's do our version of a French 75. So many different types of gin that you can have. I kind of fell in love with this Bar Hill gin. Handcrafted in Vermont. Vermont is so nice. I went there once and I'm
I
like,
love it. Oh my God, what
so
a beautiful state.
Beautiful. This video is not sponsored by Bar Hill or Vermont Tourism. We just like it.
But we just love Vermont.
First off, a little bit of lemon juice, freshly squeezed by Brian. I'm adding in about a tablespoon. I'm like, I'm just gonna do splashes, and I'm like putting it in a measuring cup.
You have to measure?
No, I don't, but I'm kind of paranoid about spilling right now. After that incident, doesn't have to be like a... Now, simple syrup. Usually, I make my own simple syrup. I love having little mason jars of simple syrup that are they're infused with either, I like to put chilies in some for like spicy margaritas, or have them with like lemon peels and orange peels, and they get like candied afterwards. You nibble on them, they're delicious. Okay, swirl, 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 swirl. And now, carefully pour in that champagne. All right, let's just give this a quick stir just because I don't want all the sugar at the bottom. And then, I'm gonna top it up with champagne a little bit more. I'll take the first sip this time.
The essence.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, lemony.
You're getting the gin, the lemon juice.
Oh my God, this is one of the best.
Now, you know,
Thank you.
since it's here, this is a variation you can do.
I love Saint Germain.
I know. So this is like a Saint Germain French 75.
Oh, exquisite.
This might be my favorite so far.
Oh, I like it both ways.
I'm gonna put that aside, but we're gonna have another one of those soon. Okay, next up, let's try something really different. How about an apple cider mimosa?
Oh, let's do that.
This is one of the ones I haven't tried yet, and I'm changing it around because the recipe I saw had whiskey, and I'm using bourbon. I think whiskey would be a little bit harsh. Healthy splash of bourbon. Now I'm gonna add in a couple splashes of apple cider, and let's top it up. Now I like the color.
I love the color.
I love the color. All right, why don't you give it a smell? Let me know what you think.
Very complex, but I like it.
Oh, I don't like this at all. This is a college classic. Champagne with a splash of Chambord. So when I was younger,
You're so young.
when I was in high school, instead of having like raging parties, I would have dinner parties with all my friends.
Oh my God, they were lovely.
But my mom would help me like make them, and then I would like make her and my dad go out, so I could have the house to myself.
But they were unbelievable parties.
She was so obliging, it was ridiculous. But I was a good kid, right?
Pure love.
All right, so just a splash of Chambord. I think Chambord is delicious, but it is very strong, so a little bit goes a long way.
True.
If you don't want or like the Chambord, try creme de cassis. Have you had that? Or framboise.
Also.
I love framboise. It's like it's also similar vein of French liqueurs with berries. All right, top it off.
Oh,
Top it
lovely
off.
color.
A little blessing again. Glad I'm using that cutting board. It's like a nice blush smell. Very sweet. What do you think?
I love it. It's a little fruity, but it's not sweet, and I don't like
It's
sweet
nice
drinks.
because the champagne is really dry.
Yeah.
If it was like a fruitier champagne, it would not work.
I wouldn't like it very sweet.
So far, French 75, Saint Germain French 75, and the classic champagne cocktail with the bitters. Okay, next one I think we're both gonna like. This one. This is a Grand Royale. I'm using Cointreau. Most of the recipes have Grand Marnier, but I love Cointreau too. Okay, so this one is like a generous pour of orange liqueur.
Almost like a 1/4 of a cup.
Really? Oh my gosh. Everything looks so much more petite in a champagne glass. Slow pour, less spills. And this time as well, I'm just gonna give it a really quick swizzle stick. Ooh. Okay. Do you wanna go first?
Yes, indeed.
It's nice. Whoa, and it's strong too. Let's get ripped. That is a like, that really like, you're like, oh, this is delightful. What? This one has a splash of cognac. It's a splash. A splash of Grand Marnier. I'm using Cointreau. Interesting already. It's kind of giving me some sidecar
Very
vibes.
amber.
And then let's,
Gold color.
oh, this is nice. I love a sidecar. That was one of my drinks. So this is giving me like some of those vibes.
I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
Oh my God, it is unbelievable. I think that's one of the top best.
This is good. This is good.
This is more than
This
good.
is really good.
This is a winner.
I would have this as like a regular drink. Okay,
my
this one is
God.
moving up in, like, you know when people are in the Olympics, leaderboard? This one went up the leaderboard.
Absolutely.
Oh, wow.
I agree.
Next up, have you had Luxardo Cherries?
Yes.
So Luxardo Cherries, and there's different brands of like really good cherries. These are like heaven on a stick. They're not like the atomic red cherries you get at the store. One Luxardo cherry at the bottom. You know what? I'm gonna add in a little bit of the cherry juice.
Just it has some.
There we go. I feel like I might like this better than the Chambord, to be honest. Okay, you want to try?
Yes, absolutely yes. It went up the leaderboard.
This one,
I like it that it's not
this
too
one's
sweet.
very subtle. So this is like, you can see. If you added a little bit more, it'd be great. And you also have like a nice prize at the end because that cherry is amazing. Final one. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm making a mimosa, but we're gonna zazz it up a little bit with some bitters, and this time we'll try Pichards. Okay, so a healthy dash of bitters, some freshly squeezed orange juice.
By Brian.
By Brian. Thanks, Brian. Okay, so I'm gonna give a nice, generous pour of that, and then top it off with the champagne.
A winner all the time. I mean, you can never go wrong with this.
Beautiful color. The smell. Nice orange.
Oh, yes.
Now you have a sip.
Just as I remember them.
And you can taste a little bit of bitters. Just adding a little bit of extra.
The quantities were perfect.
It's
Because
like a nice,
if you put too little, it
Yeah.
will not have the
it was like
substance.
half orange juice, half champagne.
Yeah, do half and you will be loving it.
Perfect. Okay, let's recap. I asked my mom to choose the one that she liked the best, but just by the color, and someone cheated behind the scenes and like tried all of them between takes. I only tried one, so I cheated less than you. All right, but let's choose the one that you like. Which one did you like the best?
I like the Barbitage
Right.
with the Cointreau and
That
the
one
cognac.
was also my favorite, I think, too. But close up was the French 75, which I think this one is. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you.
over, and let's do
And-
this again soon.
Feliz Navidad a todos los que ven a Preppy Kitchen en cualquier parte del mundo. Salud. Cheers.
Oh, that's sweet. If you like this video, check out my cocktail playlist. So many cocktails, so little time.
So
Cheers.
many choices.
And I'll see you in the next video.